It is the taste of pure sunshine, captured in a bottle. Enjoyed by millions, this golden nectar defines the essence of summer.
But delivering this freshness requires a symphony of industrial precision.
To understand the magic, we must travel back to the source.
The journey begins deep in the tropical orchards of India.
Here, the legendary Alfonso and Totapuri mangoes ripen under the intense heat.
Experienced farmers inspect every tree, looking for the perfect hue. Harvesting is a delicate art, performed using traditional long poles.
A gentle tug separates the fruit from the life-giving branch.
Once gathered, the fruit is carefully transferred to field crates. Thousands of crates pile up as the orchard buzzes with activity.
The stems are trimmed, releasing the protective sap.
Local tractors gather the bounty for the first leg of the trip.
These look excellent. We can take the entire lot for the European shipment.
I'll have the paperwork ready by sundown.
Heavy-duty trucks are loaded for the journey to the processing plant.
The gross weight is exactly 24,500 kilograms. Sign the quality manifest here.
Okay, thanks.
The receiving bay comes alive as unloading begins.
The mangoes enter climate-controlled ripening chambers to ensure uniform sweetness. Here they rest for days until the starch converts fully to sugar.
Quality experts check the brix levels before processing begins.
Once ripe, the fruit is tipped onto the main processing line.
The river of gold begins its transformation.
First, a high-pressure water bath removes field dust and sap. Air bubbles agitate the fruit, scrubbing the surface gently.
An elevator lifts the clean fruit to the next stage.
Only the flawless make the cut.
The mangoes are aligned for the destoning machine.
The seeds and skins are ejected, often repurposed for fertilizer.
What remains is the raw, fibrous pulp.
Trapped air is removed to prevent oxidation and preserve color. To ensure a perfectly consistent drink, the puree undergoes high-pressure homogenization.
The puree enters the blending hall to be mixed with treated water and sugar.
Precise amounts of sugar syrup are added to balance the natural tartness of the fruit.
Huge agitators blend the mixture into a uniform golden nectar.
Acidity,
sweetness, and viscosity must match the brand's master profile exactly.
To ensure safety without compromising flavor, the juice is flash pasteurized. It is immediately cooled to lock in the fresh, tropical flavor.
To halt the cooking process, the bottles enter a cooling tunnel, showered in chilled water.
High-velocity air knives blast away moisture, leaving the surface perfectly dry for labeling. Any imperfection triggers an instant rejection, guaranteeing only the flawless reach the consumer.
Automated vision systems scan every millimeter, ensuring the label and fill level are perfect. The bottles are marshaled into lanes, grouped into six-packs by precise mechanical fingers. A curtain of polymer film wraps the bundle, preparing it for the secondary heat tunnel. Heat tightens the wrap into a rigid shell, securing the heavy juice packs for transport. Adhesive carry handles are applied automatically, adding convenience to the heavy multi-packs.
Heavy-duty robotic arms lift entire layers, stacking them with tireless industrial precision. Layer by layer, the pallet rises, stabilized by cardboard sheets between the heavy tiers.
A final layer of stretch wrap spins around the load, locking it together for safety. Forklifts whisk the finished pallets away, entering the cathedral of the automated warehouse. Here, in the dark, thousands of tons of mango nectar wait in vertical silence. Robotic cranes glide through the aisles, storing pallets in specific slots with millimeter accuracy.
When an order drops, the system wakes, retrieving the freshest stock for immediate dispatch. The loading docks are a hive of activity, operating 24/7 to keep pace.
Pallets are secured onto distribution trucks, filling every inch of available space. The fleet rolls out, bridging the gap between the factory and the world. From massive regional hubs, the product reaches local retailers and neighborhood stores.
Shoppers instantly recognize the hue of pure quality among the crowded shelves.
Thick, rich, and full of flavor, it pours like liquid sunshine.
The plastic is reclaimed, processed, and reborn to create new bottles. This taste of the tropics travels across oceans to reach a global audience. It is a partnership between nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Every sip is a testament to rigorous quality and pure passion. Pure, authentic, and refreshing, the true taste of the mango. The essence of the fruit, perfected for your enjoyment. This taste of the tropics travels across oceans to reach a global audience. This has been the journey inside the Mango Juice Factory.